Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 17, assign a task to member. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for what's good a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to Explore all the applications. Now go to Microsoft Planner. Click on Computer Science Videos. And now we have a couple of tasks within the to-do bucket. Let's go to the top right corner where we have members. And we know that we have two members, the admin and myself. Now let's go to a task itself. And we can already see that the admin only has this task assigned to himself. So if I were to click on this, and now I can search for a name or an email address, we can see who's been assigned. We also have suggestions. So let's just click on my name. And now the admin and myself have been assigned this task called video 2. So we can now click on X and we can now see that those two have been assigned to the task. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.